Welcome to the Contributor Corner for Run Radio. Today, Jennifer with the law office of Jennifer Kornblum is going to give us some insight, stuff we can use, whether you're in big business, small business, or just starting out. What do you have today?
Well, I have an interesting statistic that I think all small business owners need to hear. 70% of family-owned businesses do not survive the transition from the founder to the next generation. So I think, mostly the reason for this is because as a small business owner, we're all just trying to make sure we have a steady income stream and enough work for our employees and all of those considerations. And we're not really thinking about how this business can transition to our kids or our loved ones, our next generation, or for some businesses, a key employee who wants to possibly inherit the business. So I want people to kind of start thinking along those lines and talk to a lawyer, because there are a lot of really interesting strategies that you can set up now to transition your business to the next generation. There are ways that you can spread out the cost of doing that so that your tax effect is minimal. There are ways you can do it through estate planning or buy-sell agreements that are paid over time. There's a number of ways to take care of that type of situation. It's just that most people don't even think about it.
You
We're
get
all
caught
just
up in starting out and fanning the flames to get it to grow, to stop and think what to do once it's grown and you're gone.
Exactly. And so whether it's me or another attorney, it is important to plan now for your next generation and what's going to happen, because your business does not have to die with you. And I think that's the mistake that a lot of people have, especially the smaller business owners who are such key members of their company. How is that company going to survive without me? And maybe a lot of people think it won't, but it absolutely can. And your business probably has more value than you think. And, if you take that into consideration, that is an asset that is on the table for your next generation that maybe you're not even thinking about.
Good
So
stuff to
lots of
consider for sure.
considerations.
Great stuff. Thank you so much. Be listening every weekday to the Contributor Corner. Learn more about Jennifer Kornblum and all of our contributors at runradio.net.